This portable garment rack system is perfect for merchandising different pieces in tight spaces. It's 36 inches wide and 41.5 inches high. The base is 20 inches deep. Made of black powder-coated steel, it features a quick and easy process to set up and take down, making this display great for trade shows, temporary displays, or for moving around your store. The rack itself provides a useful space to display clothes. Attach an add-on display rack to the top to double the display area without using more floor space. In addition, you can use an optional grid panel and any of our grid accessories to display an endless variety of merchandise.